LC. We better than
Okay, according to the High Court ruling, it has stop state. No, if you stop your state, the High Court ruling stop. Yes, everything. Stop everything from going.
Let the lawyers explain that.
The High Court said the other ruling with the other.
No, that is the Court of Appeal. She's explaining from the beginning.
That is why we wanted now to sit and then everybody's addressed at one, the lawyers talk and then we take them and say now this is the position.
Now who has the document?
We have it down
Let me
there.
go and get it. You get the Let him bring for you the document.
Because we are saying, so the case now is the Court of Appeal has come up with the judgment. The judgment is removing the last judgment that we had, which stopped accommodation.
Yes.
Yes. For example, in the last judgment, not this one that we have received, we were supposed to regazette and even other contents.
And then it
Isn't it? Yes. Now, in the due course, this is a wet court, well, in the Court of Appeal, they have come out with a document which is now actually it is state execution, meaning that whatever that was presented in the other judgment it should not be implemented. Yes, it should not be carried out. However, in this judgment, it is saying that much as it is state execution, but they should wait.
They
for
should
the
wait
for the final suit. For the last suit.
Let him come here.
So the case is not yet concluded.
Yes. Which means wait.
The case is not yet concluded.
The appeal is not hard yet.
It's supposed to be hard.
The main one, the main appeal.
We are supposed to
The main
remain the way
appeal
we
has not
have
been,
been.
but it has been hard. That is why this judgment came.
So what they are doing is contrary to what is my own understanding.
Actually, our lawyer is already here. We wanted him to come also.
He can talk to you better than us. Because we are laymen. We only catch on.
Yes, but he is the one who was in the Court of Appeal on our behalf.
This is lawful or unlawful? The gathering first, is it lawful or unlawful?
My name is Mother. I represent I used to represent just somebody. But when he was left office, he represented engineer. Now, first of all, this is private property where we are. Lao Cultural Center. It belongs to Lao Cultural Institution or Tekwaro Lao. So, first of all, the owitonge are residents of this area. By virtue of their office, they can come. They are not trespassing on anyone's property. Privately is their office, like I have come from my office. So you cannot say they are coming here illegally, because they are coming to where they sit.
But
It's like-
where it infringes security, what happens?
I'll come to security. Now, you asked me about
Yes,
the law.
yes.
I'm not a security officer. No, the law says this is a private institution. I mean, it's a private property. Their office is designed by, even with support from government, by the way, and NGOs, for them to sit every day if they want. Anytime at night, daytime, wherever. They don't need a court order or a court order against them for them to come and sit here. So, again, police to come and stop them is illegal. The illegal people here are not them now, but the police coming to stop them in their
Now,
private property.
Side of security,
That is one.
come to the
Now
side of
let's go to
security.
the law. I don't want to talk about security. Let's go to the law. Security is subject to the law. You see, the Supreme Court has just ruled whether you are UPDF or what, you must respect the what? The law. Now, the issue of the judgment of court. I'm going to give a simple example. If you have been interdicted, okay, from police, I don't want it to happen. You seem to be
may happen.
you seem to be a good man. And you rush to court and say, you court, you stay my what?
My interdiction.
Judicial review. I can do that for you. I did it for him and for many people here.
Yeah.
Then you say, you stay my interdiction. What will happen is that you'll be allowed back to
office.
your office and continue working until the High Court decides whether or not you are interdicted. What?
Correctly.
You did NSSF, the lady of NSSF, who was the deputy MD. She went for stay. She stayed there for over 4 years.
The lady who became permanent secretary of the Ministry of Trade.
Now back to the matter. When we went to Court of Appeal, the court said the judgment of Odoke has been suspended. Let the matters continue as if there was no judgment until the Court of Appeal decides it. So what were the matters before?
Yes.
The matters before is that Odong Kune was elected as a Wanyasi. He's working as a Wanyasi. And therefore he's currently working as a Wanyasi. And for him to work, he needs to attend to his council because he's part of the council. He cannot, the council must keep sitting. Because now, if you stop the council from sitting, you are going to infringe against the constitutional rights of the people of Lango. They have a right to their culture. They have the right to practice their culture. They have the right to stay in their offices, and because these are owitonge, these are not any other person. For example, him is an owitonge. You know him very well.
Elected by my clan.
Elected by his clan. Now that means that you are stopping over maybe 200,000 who elected him from being heard. The point here is that legally, these people have a right to continue with their function. They have always been doing it. Last week, I think 2 weeks ago,
2 weeks
they were
He
here.
sat, but without
Udo has a
Wanyasi.
right to come.
Because-
His home is
because
just
he was not
200 meters away from here. He has always been here. The Constitutional Court allowed them to do that. Even if you call Attorney General, he will tell you, okay, let them go ahead with that thing. Lastly, of course, the consequences get personal. If the police, you and your colleagues here, choose to stop it, we are going to respect you, but we shall sue you personally, not against Attorney General. Because Attorney General said it's okay, you go ahead. I made Attorney General before even the ruling was made by court. We were working on this thing together. He said, I don't know why the judge did like that, but go ahead. My minister cannot be tied, forced to declare someone. You go ahead and make your response. So the thing is that let us not make the thing political. Let's keep it cultural. Let's keep it legal. The issue of security is protect all of us, even me.
We have our lawyer, legal, will respond to that. No, we can understand.
No, why don't you allow them to address us as members of council in the council hall? Well, we shall respect you.
Let's finish here.
For us, we shall respect you. We are law-abiding citizens.
To begin with, the information we have received is that people have gathered here on the basis of the ruling from Court of Appeal in Kampala regarding that appeal, emanating from the judgment of Justice Odok. Yes, that's what we have. They are gathered here on the basis of that appeal. Are we clear there?
Is this a question I answer or what?
It's not a question that I'm asking. Are we clear there?
We are clear. We are hearing.
Is it true these people are gathered here on the basis of that appeal?
We have gathered to conduct a council meeting. Council meeting, our regular council meetings, which you know.
Okay, let me answer the question. First of all, the appeal has not ordered anyone to come and hold any meeting. The appeal only touched the issue of the judgment of a doctor and say that judgment is suspended until what? The Court of Appeal sits. So let the people of Land continue with their program as if Odoke has never stepped in Iran.
No, even talking never step in Iran. Would you come here and stop anything?
Because on matter of security,
We are not coming to fight anybody.
there will be breach
For
of
us, we sit here and we go.
we can come in.
Yeah, you're right.
We have that right. We have that right to come in. We know that there is a likelihood of breach of peace politically come in.
Okay, that's my question. Let's be specific. We are on camera here. Let's be specific because you can use transcription of this for purpose of court. The court has defined what breach of security is. Okay? When the court defines what breach of security is, breach of security must be evidential by some conduct that shows that a group of people or a person shall be hurt by conduct of other people, and that person who shall be hurt should be able to complain. Have you received a complaint?
I think you're a lawyer. You're a lawyer. What does likelihood mean in that regard? Likelihood of breach of peace. What does it mean? Does it mean that there's breach of peace which you can see?
Likelihood can be there, but the question here is
We are coming on the basis of that likelihood. If you refuse to define it, we are coming on that basis.
the issue is like
That's
this.
security.
The likelihood is like this. That's the reason why the matter was taken to constitutional court, because it has been used to suppress people from conducting their civic rights. Now the question here is, for you to have a breach of security, you should be able to exhibit, okay, and show by way of demonstration whose security is being threatened.
We saw to who?
Yeah, I don't know. To the people you are going to.
Yes, we are telling them that there is a likelihood of breach of peace here. That's why we have come.
Whose peace?
The question
Whose
is,
peace?
No, let the lawyer talk.
No, you are overriding the court. The court said you must be able to prove who. Because this matter is not going to stop here. We are going to go with this matter on if you stop these people. And for me personally, I will make sure that Mr. Aria, Mr. Tura, something, Mr. Wu, you respond to it personally as defendants. And for me, people know me in this area that I'm ready to die for the truth. No, dying here means it's not about you are not shooting me. The dying here I'm talking about is to die in court or die in another place. To lose a case or to win. For you, yes.
You took our money, you took our cow, everything. No. It's okay. You tell the girl to come here. You go and tell the girl to come here. We are not going anywhere.